Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So friends, आज आम प्लस थ्री थर्ड सेमिस्टर हिस्ट्री ऑनर्स को पेपर 5 2021 क्वेश्चन पेपर आलोचना करवा जहाँकि आपण मानक एग्जाम पे बहुत गुरुत्वपूर्ण अटे। एथिमध्यरु किछि प्रश्न आपण मानक एग्जाम रे आसी पारे। तो चलंतु आज वीडियो को आरंभ करवा। एठी हमर प्रश्न रही अछि, हु वाज द ऑथर ऑफ तारिक-ई-यमनी? B. Who was the author of Tajul-Masir? C. In which language the Chachnama was originally written? D. To which dynasty did Krishna I belong? E. In which year the second battle of Tarai was fought? F. To which dynasty did Rajendra I belong? G. Who was Dahir? H. What was the main occupation of the people of India between 715 AD and 1206 AD? I. What is the name given to the association of merchants or craftsmen? J. In which state of India Tamralipti is now located? K. How many Puranas are there? L. Where the Brihadasar temple is situated? 2 number A. Who was Kallana? What is the name of his book? B. Who was Alberuni? What is the name of his book? C. Who was Bhoja? D. Who was Kulatunga Prathama by 1? E. In which area of India the Rashtrakutas established their authority? F. What were the major agricultural productions of India during the early medieval period? G. What were the major items of exports from India during the medieval period? H. Name the noted urban centers of South India during the early medieval period. I. Name the noted merchant guilds of South India during the early medieval period. J. What is the meaning of Gopuram? 3 number A. Prithviraj Raso. B. Rajaraja I. C. Danti Durga. D. Muhammad bin Qasim. E. Brahmadeya. F. Proliferation of caste. G. Brigu Kacha. H. Manigramam. I. Natamandap. J. Pidha temple. 4. Throw light on the literary and archaeology source for the study of the history of early medieval India, or analyze the cause of the Arab invasion of Sindh. 5. Write a note on the role of the peasant in the agrarian structure of early medieval India, or give an account of the peasant nation of tribes. 6. Discuss the development of inter-regional trade during the early medieval period, or examine the development of maritime trade in early medieval India. 7. Trace the development of Mahayana form of Buddhism during the early medieval period, or describe the main features of the Kaling style of temple architecture. सो फ्रेंड्स आशा करछि आपण मानको भिडियोटी पसंद आसीथिबो एवं जदि आपण माने चैनल रे नुआ अछंती ताले चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करी ऑल नोटिफिकेशन को ऑन कर देबे जहाद्वारा ए बळे वीडियो सर्वप्रथमे आपण पाखरे पहुंच परिबो। धन्यवाद।